Hi beautiful people, and welcome back once again to my channel. I'm here again with another mind-blowing video. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create your own cartoon video, like having two animated characters play out a well-scripted scene. You can create and use this to advertise and promote your products on your social media handles. Now watch this.
Jessica, why are you dressed like this? Where are you heading to? Please, mother, I want to go and see one of my friend. What is the name of this friend of yours again? Her name is Emo Mondays TV. She is a YouTuber. Have you subscribed to her channel? No, mother. Okay, you can go and visit her. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel, okay?
Welcome back. It's very simple to create. Just watch this video till the end. Install Plotagon Story on Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. Sign up to create an account. On the Plotagon home screen, click on Create Video. Now this is the screen setup where you can begin creating your cartoon. First, click here to select a background location where you want your characters to be. You will see various scenes like classroom, bus stop, and the rest of them. Pick one that fits your story. Click on it. Next, click here to choose your characters or actors. You can create your own character by clicking on Create Character. So click on the characters to import into the scene. Click here to choose your character's action, like sitting or standing for each of them. Now it's time to make them talk. Click on this chat icon. Click on this snow actor. Pick your character. Tap here to write what they will say. Like, how was your day at work today? After writing, click on Neutral to select the emotions you want your actors to display while talking, like dancing, happy, surprised, and so on. Click again on the chat icon. Pick the next character. Write what it will say. Select the emotion as well. Continue this way until you add all your conversations. You can add background music or record your voice by clicking here. Once you are done, click on the play button to watch your cartoon. Click here to download to your gallery. All the templates having this shopping carts are paid version. You need to subscribe before you can use them, while these ones are free. So you can go for a free version. Please, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and share this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching.